Guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I will be playing Sacrifice Sanctuary episode 3. Oh my. Okay. So I know people usually think a ton of people just left now. People don't really think I am an actual YouTuber, but I actually am, because how would you guys be watching? Oh! Hey! Hey, say hi. Say hi to YouTube. You look nice. Aww. Say hi. Say hi to YouTube. YouTube is the one and only time you can get best friends. You wanna check? Oh, my headset's falling off. Check out my channel. Do you wanna check out my channel? It's Diana MSP. No spaces between MSP. No spaces between. Okay, I don't even know, guys, if you can even hear me anymore, because my mic always goes down and I can't get up. So, come on. When's a ton of people gonna join? Oh my god, I can actually hear it. Oh, wait, no, I can't. Hey, bye. Hi, bye. I'm bored. I'm bored. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 more to go. Come on, come on. Come on, yeah. Sorry, guys. Oh my god, I'm wasting 3 minutes of this video. I'll put in the description below in the comments where you can actually skip to, so you don't have to actually wait this long just for the video to start. Era! Are you the Victorian era? Oh wait, no. Woman era. I use a Roman era. Yes! So, sorry, no. So, guys, I'll put in the description I'll put it in the comments instead to see what I've been actually done. Attention, I'm horrible at these games, but I always just don't get picked to go into the basement. That's why I sometimes win. So, no, with the keys! Defeated the keys. I don't know. I never knew how to pronounce that word. No! Okay. Royalty challenge is starting in 20 seconds. Royalty challenge starts in 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Yep, knew it. Remember, biggest, fattest Felipe. What the heck? Subscribe to my YT. Subscribe to my YT. JK. Wall jumps. No. I absolutely hate wall jumps. No. Can't even. I can't do him. It's just impossible to me. Oh. I've never done a single wall jump on computer. I've only done it. What? Someone already finished? Sorry. Me and Bacon only boys. GG! Oh my god! Me, if you want. Actually, not me. Me, if you want. But actually, I'll probably die if she picks me. So I don't even know why I just put that. Maybe because I might actually go on another game after this. That was a mouthful. So, time to put on this weird voice and do weird stuff. Phew! Be right back. I'll have to disconnect my camera. I'll show you when I get back up. I'm gonna pause the video. Hey guys, I'm back, and Era, the Roman era, didn't win. I don't even know. Yes, hurdles, yes. I'm probably not even gonna win anyway, so I'm just gonna have a biscuit. Oh. Oh. I'ma die. Slow clap. Good luck, Frosty. No! I glitch. Who boy like touching that A? Oh my god. Ah! That's what I done. No! They cheated! You cheated! You didn't move the block. That is a cheat! You just jumped. You just jumped. Don't be so loser. You did! Wreck, you come. You did. I'm recording. Come watch the video. I'm uploading it now. That is a big cheat. I'm uploading it now. Jeez!